Attention motor carriers. Are you getting overwhelmed by the process that it takes to register with the ports and railroads to haul intermodal containers? My name is Kyra Guillory, and I am your intermodal coordinator. Help dozens of motor carriers get registered with the ports and rails to haul containerized freight and have dispatched over $1 million worth of containers. On February 20th, I'll be hosting a live online seminar for motor carriers and freight dispatchers interested in the intermodal process. Join me as I will guide you through the entire process step by step, providing valuable insights that I've learned from working with industry professionals. While I do offer an accelerated intermodal dispatching course, this seminar will offer a unique chance for a more personalized touch. In this session, I'll share my proven systems and processes, enabling you to have your company set up in less than 10 business days. Don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity to gain valuable insight to help streamline your intermodal operations. Click the link below to get registered, and I'll see you in the seminar.